Okay, I'm going to review the Clancy's pork rinds, these original flavor chicharrones. These aren't quite as salty as other brands I've noticed, but they're good. They're probably good for someone that might be, I guess, borderline diabetic and someone that's not going to sit there and eat the whole bag in one sitting. But this brand is, a reputable brand. They make other products which I'll be reviewing at a later time. But yeah, these have the right texture, right flavor. They actually look appetizing, as you can see. You got the pig there on the packaging. Not much on the back, really. There's always the makers of this always have something to say on the back. Just a little blurb there. You can pause the video and read that if you wish. Yeah, you can't go wrong with these. I've actually never had this brand of pork rinds. I've had a few others, and I'll review those later on. Great packaging, though. It grabs your attention. That's the whole point of packaging. These aren't expensive. They can be found at most grocery stores. Not the one I frequent. They don't have anything Clancy's. They have their own branded chips and a couple other brands, and that's really it. So, yeah. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to ask, and I'll get back to your comments and questions as soon as possible. If you'd like to see more food reviews like this on my channel, click that